If you are on a different journey, like nobody else around you is following that path, you're all alone, and now you have started doubting whether you are on the right path or not. Your soul called you to follow this path, and you thought that it might give you some peace. It is something which you deserve. You listen to your soul calling and you started following that path, that unknown path that nobody else followed, and you are just walking all alone. If you are one of them, then this message is for you. Recently, I have channeled a very powerful message from my higher self, and I would like to share it with you as well. Listen. When you stay in an environment who pulls you down, install softwares like fear, doubt, scarcity, jealousy, pain, stress, hate in your system, you start becoming like them. They want you to be a part of their group as they feel lonely and want to spread those softwares to increase the number of their members. They feel great joy when they meet and turn people into one who they are. If you hate and gossip about the same person who they hate, they'll love you. You'll be their friend. But if you disagree, now you are the one who they hate and gossip about. You become their new target. They are in fear, pain, and stress, so they want others to feel what they feel too, as they don't know how to deal with their negative emotions. So they project onto others and make them one of them. But if you see through them and understand it's a trap, you can break free and never get influenced by their callings. As you know, you are a divine vessel, a chosen one, came here to spread love, peace, and harmony. If you let them stop you and make you one of them, they'll win and you lose. Your negative environment is meant to keep you in doubt, fear, stress, and lack unless you decide to stop interacting. Stop letting their words seep into you and create an environment where you can be you. Even if you are alone, but it's peaceful. The environment will keep on calling you, make you feel guilty for not being a part of them. They'll tell you what you're doing is wrong and what they are telling you is best for you. But if you shut them down long enough, one day they'll understand they were wrong and you were right. Even if you are walking on this path alone, one day they'll know how powerful and right you were. What else can you expect the Matrix to do for you? Pull you down and keep you trapped. This is your higher self coming through to tell you, my love, my dear one, you are a blessing for these people. Don't be a part of them. They want to keep you in guilt for not being one of them. But I want you to understand your truth. You were awakened by the higher powers not to be in this doubt and fear, but to remember your powers and break free so that you could help others break free too. The career they want for you is good, but for their ego, it won't satisfy you. It will burn you and give you pain. What you do is what your soul craves, not theirs. God has made an easy path for you. Let Him guide you, my love. He loves you. He is your father, your mother, your best friend. How can He think bad of you? He knows what he's doing. Don't resist the changes. Let it break. Let it go. You are strong. You are so strong. Do not doubt the path. Just keep on going with the flow. I love you, your higher self. I hope this message has given you some clarity. And this is such a powerful message. I just keep on reading it again and again whenever I'm in doubt, whenever I'm in fear, whenever my environment is trying to pull me down. And I want you to listen to this message again and again whenever something bad happens to you and you start doubting your path. You're not doing something wrong if Your soul is calling you to do something. It's for a reason, because your soul is in direct contact with the divine, is in direct contact with your spirit team and the higher powers. Don't let his creations tell you what you need to do and what you shouldn't. This is your path. You have to follow. You have to follow this journey on your own. And people who will resonate with your journey, who will resonate with you, who are right for you, will come, will join you on the path, but they are ahead. They are not here. You cannot take these people with you. These people were here to play a part in your journey, but now it's time to leave them behind and move forward to follow the path that you were always meant to follow. That was solely designed for you. So it's time to move on. It's time to break free from your traps, from the ego which is pulling you again and again, your false identity that was created by your environment. There are people, there's so many people, come on, there are 8 billion people out there. Some of them will meet you on the path halfway through. You just have to walk. You just have to walk and continue doing what you are doing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.